Hi there, Emmanuel here, and today we're going to talk about 3 trading strategies you can never ever use to succeed. And unfortunately, these are the strategies that are taught out there. These are the strategies that retail traders are using, and why so many, 97%, so many people are losing in the Forex. Do you know what I mean? They're finding it so difficult because they're trading these strategies which are taught for free on places like YouTube and any courses you go on. These will be the strategies that you're more than likely going to be getting taught, do you know, because they trade what we call the clean side compared to what we trade as sort of retail traders, but non-retail traders. We trade what we call the dirty side. Do you know what I mean? And I'll go through all of that in a second. And also in a second, I'm going to give you access to the people I personally train with who are 5, 6, and 7 figure earners on the Forex, and you're going to be able to get access to them completely for free for a full week. But I'll dive into that a little bit more in a second. But let me go on and talk about these strategies. So the first one is, once you get onto any sort of trading, you'll be taught this. The first one is trend support and resistance. Can you see how clean this looks? I'll show you this in a second in the chart. So there's kind of these supposed lines that price is coming and touching. You know, it's like a floor, for example. They believe it will bounce and keep going up, or if they think it's a ceiling, a resistance line, they'll keep bouncing and keep going down. You know, let me go to the charts and show you this on the charts. So something like this. Yeah, you'll see a chart like this, and you can see it just keeps bouncing so nicely off this supposedly line. You can see what I meant. Clean side, very easy to see. These lines bouncing off. This is the dirty side. This is the side that we actually trade. Yeah, and you know, if you want to come and get access to that, we'll show you exactly what we do. But you can see clean, very nice. Touches 1, 2, comes, touches again, 3, 4, 5. So obviously now you're thinking after this touch, or when you're down here, you're thinking as soon as it comes up here, I'm going to sell this because it just can't get through this line, this barrier. This is a barrier, a wall that price can't get through. It just keeps dropping. So most people, what they do, they put a sell here, and they'll put their stop, what we call their stop loss, just here. Don't worry if you don't understand these terms. We will explain all of them to you. So what they're trying to say is that price won't go up. It won't go through this line. It will come and it will drop again. And so they'll make money as the price goes down. And then I've got this in replay mode, so I'll show you exactly what happened. So boom. That's what happened. You're sitting here thinking, yeah, I'm waiting for it to bounce. It shoots up, takes out all these, there's millions of people thinking the same idea. Takes out all the retail money and then drops. Yeah, but it takes the money first. You know, so that's first strategy. The second one, again, is what we call a trend line bounce. It's the second trend. Again, a kind of line, subjective line that you draw on the charts, and it keeps bouncing off this line, bouncing off the line. You keep thinking that, okay, next time it bounces, it can't get through this line, I'm going to buy it to go up. So again, let me show you this on the chart. This happened only recently. You see this? Look at this. Beautiful bounces. 1, 2, 3, comes 4, 5. So you're thinking now, let me play this. You're thinking, especially when that happens now, you get close, you think, yeah, that's it. Ready. I'm buying this. I'm going to put my stop loss under there. And millions of people are doing this. Or other people are thinking, I'm going to wait till it breaks the line, then touches, retests, and goes down. So we've got people on both sides here now that are just going to get raided. So down the price comes and takes out these people, the people that thought it would bounce and go up. So they've been raided out now. You know, now the bounce and retest people now. So it comes and touches and gets ready to go down. So these people are now thinking, okay, nice. I caught this, and it's on its way down. You see? Yes, very nice, you know, lovely. Bounced off there, now it's on its way down. And then this is what happens. Unfortunately, you get raided, and then it drops. Yeah, so both sides of this trend line, whether you thought it was going to go up or down, probably as a retailer you're going to lose here. Those that thought it was going to bounce lost. Those that thought it was going to go through it, bounce and drop, lost as well. Both got raided out. And that's what these things are taught. This is what we call this is what people are calling the clean side, nice and clean off a line. Now that third strategy, it's called head and shoulders. It's what they call a reverse strategy. Reversal. So price is going one way and it's going to reverse and turn to go the other way. So it has a shoulder, a head, and a left shoulder and a right shoulder. Yeah, two shoulders, and then we have what we call a neckline. I'll show you it again on the charts. Here we go. So shoulder here. Let me just move this out of the way. Shoulder here, head, shoulder here. We wait. I'll run this through again. So this. Everyone's thinking, right, I'm going to reverse. Wait for it to break the neckline there. So there you go. It's broken the neckline. So you're in this trade. You put your entry here. Your stop usually is there on a retail strategy. And they usually go for like 1 to 2, 1 to 3. What that means, this is my risk and I want 3 times of this to go down. So we'll run this out and now we're in nice profit. If you're a retailer, you're thinking nice, excellent. It's all working. The strategy is excellent. It's going my way until it starts to make its way back up. And you're thinking, oh, well, hold on. What's happening here? You know, all right, a little bit down, go, you know, this is just so emotional. Then it starts to go against you and you're thinking, but this head and shoulders, you know, I thought it was working. This is the clean side, which doesn't usually work, because now you can just see basically the price just comes up and just runs you out. Now, like I said, I'm not saying that retail traders some don't make money, but the amount they make compared to if you know how to trade charts properly. Let me show you how we traded the euro dollar, the one that I just told you about where everyone was getting raided here. We never got in till here. There's my entry there. Got in there. Ran down to there, 1 to 5. Risked that much to make 5 times that much. And, you know, I got out, but look at the price. It just continued down. You know, now, so, you know, it's not that retail trading doesn't work. It's just they don't make as much and they usually, most don't make anything. 97% of people on Forex fail. And there's a reason, like I said, they want to trade these patterns. They want to trade the clean sides when you should really learn how to trade what we call the dirty side. So, like I was talking about earlier, if you want to actually come and train with us, yeah, do a 4 weeks training with us with, like I said, 5, 6, 7 figure earners. There's 3,000 plus people in the group. If that's something that's going to be of interest to you, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You just click on that link, and once you've opted in, you'll get completely free access to this group. The training starts Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 5 p.m. UK time, GMT. And it goes on all week. You can actually ask questions. You can ask about this. You can ask and see why the difference between normal retail and this sort of trading, you know. So that's for you. Like I said, I'll leave links below. But either way, listen, hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. Any questions, anything doesn't make sense, anything you want to talk about, don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. All right then. Thanks again. Thanks for listening. Until next time, take care. Speak soon.